Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Okay. So web services can convert. So let's concentrate back on web services. Okay, where we can use this. So remember that web services are generally asynchronous communication. 99% times we can say that we have email. Okay, again, an email is asynchronous communication. Okay, so let's start discussing on that. You got it. I know everybody got it. Okay, I've got already a lot of examples. Okay, so what is web service? Web service can convert your application into web application. Remember that. So web service converts your application to web application, which can publish its function or messages to the rest of the world. So whenever you make a web service of something, entire world can use it. Okay. So there is a very nice example actually explained here. So see here, there is Amazon site, and Amazon site is accessed from laptop, from iPhone, from iPad, and from Android tablet, let's say something like this. Okay. So all of them accessing Amazon app or an Amazon site. Okay. Now consider you are getting a new laptop, HP laptop, 1 terabyte hard disk, 8 GB RAM, i7 processor, all those things. You check the price with laptop, you check the price with iPhone, you check the price with iPad, you check the price with Android. Do you have any chance that you will get a different price in two applications? Laptop has $679 and iPhone have $470. No, absolutely not. Absolutely right. Everybody says no. Yes, thank you people. So why and how this is possible? Now what happens here? Consider this. If Amazon wants to develop an application from end to end, laptop, it will create an entire application. Then iPhone, it will create entire application. Then iPad, it creates entire application from UI to backend. And from Android, so how much time Amazon.com is wasting creating exact same information for 4 different systems? And what exactly is changing? Just user interface, right? Only, yes, the endpoint is changing, the media is changing, but everything else is same. So what does Amazon.com do? They publish a web service called Get Price. So this is just a Get Price web service. And think about what happens now. Whenever laptop clicks Get Price, it gets price. Okay, again call a web service called Get Price and get it the price from Amazon.com. When iPhone check the price, it again calls the same web service, get the price. iPad again call the same web service. Android again call the same web service. Ultimately, Amazon.com do not create applications end to end. It just creates web services and only user interface changes. Only user interface changes. Only user interface changes. Now, as a tester, think about this. Okay, as a QA person, if I test Get Price service working properly, Do I have to really test functional test cases over these 4? Absolutely not. So how much effort Amazon.com saved? It saved 4 application testing, 4 functional testing efforts. So that's why publishing it to web services, how awesome it is. Think about it. So as a tester, you need to understand how to test this get price web service. Okay, if you are able to check this get price, if you validated it, functionally tested it properly, then you do not have to test it again here, and probably at the end of 2020 you might have 4 different more endpoints here, right? So this is why software industries wants you to be proficient, efficient in web services testing. Okay, because everybody is moving to multiple platforms, right? Awesome. And think about this day by day. This is not about different systems. This is about different browsers as well. Safari works differently. Your Mozilla Firefox works differently. So if there are applications which you are working on, you tested this get price, you do not have to worry about which browser that laptop uses. Okay, we are good with that. Okay, so let me go back to the question. Okay, sure. Don't worry. So what I'm saying is, if Amazon.com publishes a web service called get price, then we do not have to create test cases for laptop, test cases for iPhone, test cases for iPad, test cases for Android. Nothing has to be done 4 times. Only we test get price and we are good. Okay. Of course, there will be test cases for UI, but there will not be functional test cases for all these 4, right? Because functionally, we tested what exactly is getting called. Okay? UI test cases are very simple. UI is user interface. Okay? So what you can see on a screen, on your iPad app, on your iPhone app, on Android app, or whatever you type in your browser and you get a screen, that is user interface. Okay. What is the endpoint? Endpoint is a last point where data is shown or data is communicated. So this is the endpoint. After this, data is not going to be. Yes. So Amazon.com converts this application to web service and it avoids this multiple testing, multiple developments. Okay, so repetitive development of some task, right? So it avoids that. So get price is web service. As of now, consider get price as okay. What is actually published? Yeah, we gonna learn about that. What will be actually published? Okay. So let's move ahead. Today's class we will be ending in 15 minutes. Not even 15 minutes. 10 minutes. Web services as a tester we write queries only write to validate data. Yes and no. Both the things. Okay. This is not 2 hours class. We will finish in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So we already understood this. We will understand it in a softer manner. I told you the difference between synchronous and asynchronous communication. We just have a slide again in web services manner. Now consider that your browser, this is your browser, and this is Amazon.com server. You are asking that give me deals on all laptops. Now think about it. How many laptops are there? How many deals are going on? And you ask that, consider you have a button to get all the deals of laptops. Okay. So what will Amazon.com say? Oh man, this will take me forever, because it's gonna do search all laptops, get all the deals, okay, and then send it back. Okay. Now, as this communication is synchronous, this guy will be waiting for the response. Give me the deals on our laptops. Now he will be processing that. Everything processes and send it back. And he says, here you go. Sorry to keep you on hold because he is not doing anything but waiting for the response. He is just waiting for the response. He is not doing anything. So this way of communication is synchronous communication. Okay, we saw this already. And asynchronous web services application does not wait. You see, it does not wait. The whatever marks in red, remember that interview question is gonna come there. Does not wait. Remember that. Now consider this communication. Now again, I am asking the same information. Give me deals on all laptops. Send me when you are ready. I am doing my work here. Getting my point? He is not waiting for him. He just says that I will be doing my work. Send me whenever you are done with your deals. Here he is fine now. Oh man, this will take me forever. Work is same. Thank God he is not waiting. Remember that now your server is not waiting. He is not abide to send the response immediately. Nobody is waiting on the response. He can also work on this response and send it back. Okay? I know you understood this very well now. Yes. Excellent. How does it actually know whether it's synchronous and asynchronous? Actually, it's design time decision. When software applications are built, they built on a particular design, and at design time itself, they decide whether it should go for synchronous or asynchronous. Okay, I'll show you previously. Yes, they are middleware. Yes, absolutely. How do we prepare test case for web services? That's the part we're gonna learn. This is just a ground rules. These are just okay. So this is not only web services. You are also understanding few terms and terminologies related to web services testing, which are very important on your interview process. Okay. In web services testing, nobody will ask you how to test web service. Before that, they definitely gonna ask you what is web service. Okay, what is wisdom? They will ask you what is synchronous or asynchronous communication. Why asynchronous is important? They will ask you. Okay, so these are all related topics. If you understand this concept thoroughly, you will clear your interview, which is more important, right? Okay, getting it. Excellent. Okay, let's move on. Nice. Example of asynchronous. We discussed this. Emails are example of asynchronous. Okay. So let's check a small topic. This is wisdom, and then we will stop, and we will continue tomorrow. Okay. And be ready for materials also. You will be getting materials, and then go through it. Come up with the questions. Okay. No, don't worry about web services definition. Okay. Don't worry about it as of now because I haven't started that topic.
No?
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, I got late. I joined around quarter to five, six. I mean, my time. So I thought this class would be 2 hours.
So what is Visdal? Visdal is an advertisement. Okay, Visdal is an advertisement, like an advertisement of a movie, like an advertisement of a sales event. Okay, web services advertise. Web services advertise themselves. Okay, so whenever Amazon.com says that I have get price web service, it will advertise in a certain manner. Okay, and the way of advertising it, the format of advertising, the telling, the publication of that web service is called as digital. So consider this slide. You have an iPhone here, you have a laptop here, okay, and this guy, this is Amazon.com. It says check out my digital. You can call this service from, you can call the service from this, okay, and this digital will have web services published, okay, and iPhone can decide which service it needs to call. iPhone also says, okay, got it, I'm calling get price. Again, laptop also says, hey, nice. Me too, he can also call get price, okay. For him, doesn't matter who is requesting, he will send back the response, UI will take care of it. Okay, so the publication, advertisement of a web service is called as WSDL. Okay, so let's understand the definition of WSDL and then we'll talk. WSDL is web service description language. It is an XML based language for describing web services and how to access it. Okay, so it also defines what is needed to call it. Get price. What is get price? About what? So you are asking what price? Or do you want a recent Nike shoe price? Do you want a laptop price? Are you checking iPad price? What price you are checking? You need to send some information, right? So what information you can send to that web service also published in this wizard. Okay. Again, it will send you a price in dollars. It will send you a price in another currency. If you are in Canada, then Canadian currency. If you are in Australia, then Australian dollar. So it depends on what response is receiving. Your browser is also making some changes. And where this response is noted, web service or WSDL also has this information that what web service returns, what response. Okay. So WSDL publishes what is the web service, what input it needs, what is the output it will give. Okay, all three information is published in WSDL. Okay, WSDL stands for Web Services Description Language. WSDL is written in XML. So WSDL uses XML format. Okay, WSDL is XML document. WSDL is used to describe web services. Okay, WSDL is also used to locate web services. Okay, and WSDL is W3C recommendation. W3C is what? World Wide Web Consortium. Okay, questions? Yes, I can repeat WSDL. WSDL is Web Services Description Language. It's a publication. It's an advertisement of the web services given by a publisher of the web service. Okay. Web services is, okay, again, I'll tell you, it's an advertisement. Okay, don't worry about it, what exactly it is. I'm gonna show you, it's not a last slide of WSDL. We are just stopping here. See here, there are a lot of slides on WSDL which will give you more view inside it. Okay. Simple language. Now I need to find an example more simple than let me check on that. Okay. Let me check other questions first. Can you show us an example of it? Absolutely, I can show you an example of that. 3 things about WSDL contains. Absolutely. 3 things WSDL contains. Let me write in my bad handwriting here. Oops, I went back. digital contains, first thing is name of web service. Second thing is input, what input it means. Third thing is output, what output it gives. Okay, so these three things are given inside this. Okay, W3C recommendations is recommended by World Wide Web. Are we going to work on SoapUI? Absolutely. That's what our class is. W3C is World Wide Web Consortium, which provides you internet. Yes, we are done. So people who do not have technical questions, feel free to log off. I'm stopping the recording now.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website H2Kinfosys.com. On our website H2Kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.